Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Freshers Bee. In today's video, we'll be talking about a job opening from Amazon. So first of all, let me tell you about our channel. We provide all kinds of latest updates regarding various government jobs, technical jobs and non-technical jobs. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do, so that you can get all the daily information regarding various openings in various cities of India. So let's move forward with the today's video, which is about Amazon hiring. So Amazon is hiring for the position of programmer analyst. I'll provide the link for this job in the description box of the video. Please go through that link for applying and for reading all the information regarding this job in detail. So I'll tell you the basic information you need for applying this job. So after clicking on the link, you will be just redirected to this page of Amazon jobs. So Amazon is hiring for the position of programmer analyst, and here they have mentioned the job ID, that is 1241394, and the job location will be Hyderabad. And down here they have mentioned the description of the job, so go through that link for reading all the information regarding the description of this job. So after description, they have mentioned the basic qualifications required from the candidate, that is 0 to 3 years overall development technical support experience. That is like candidate must have minimum 0 or max 3 years of experience in development or technical support. And the second qualification is strong object oriented development knowledge in CPP and Java. And third one will be knowledge about Unix and Linux operating systems. Fourth one is proven ability to troubleshoot and identify the root cause of issues. And the fifth one will be demonstrate skill and passion for operational excellences. And last one will be documentation skills. So down here they have mentioned the preferred qualifications. I have checked that the basic qualifications and preferred qualifications are same, so there is no need of reading those qualifications again. After reading all this information, if you are willing to apply, just click here on the apply now button here, and after clicking this, you will be redirected to the next page of the Amazon job. If you have account on Amazon jobs, then you just log in, and if you are a new user, you have to create your account by filling your email ID and password. So once you created your account there, just go with the further procedure. That is, the first will be like resume, that is you will have to upload your CV, and in second stage you will have to fill all your contact information, fill that information properly. And third one will be general questions, like they'll be asking you general questions like, are you willing to relocate, yes or no, and the prefer work location, how did you hear about this role. And fourth will be work history and skills, like how many years of work experience you have. And if you are fresher, just click on 0 to 2 years, that means you have minimum of 0 year of experience. And the next will be provide the name of your current employer. So if you are working currently, just add your current employer's name, and here list your primary and secondary technical domain skills. So add here all the skills you have, all the languages you know. And next will be your education, so fill your information regarding your education level, that is 10th, 12th or graduation, these kind of information. And for the like areas of study, your school or college name and expected graduation date. And next will be work eligibility. So in work eligibility, there are several questions, so go through all the questions one by one and answer them properly. and next one is acknowledgement. So read this and check this checkbox, and after reading click on the next stage, that is voluntary equal employment opportunity self identification. Like here you have to mention about your gender, and after this just click on save and continue. After save and continue, you'll have to once check all the information filled by you. Just cross check the information and just click on the final apply button. So please make sure that after application Amazon will filter, like they'll reply their mails to only those candidates who fit into the criteria. So they will not send mails to all the candidates. So please make sure that you are filling all your information correctly, so that they can reply you with the further procedure. So in this way you can apply for Amazon jobs. If you have any query, please make a comment below this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment your queries, and don't forget to subscribe, as we bring these kind of videos daily. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.